game on the lines, Alan Ward and Nathan Carmichael, and the referees in charge of tonight's game, Andy Duncan and Vikas Filikidis. Running for our visitors, this is the starting six for 5, starting in goal number 37, Christian Perdue. Left defense number 56, Andrew McLean. Number 65, Ian Sheen. On left wing number 29, Ethan Samosa. In center number 91, Josh Blueprint. And number 74, Irene Garrett Hunt. That is the starting six for our visitors tonight. Let us turn our attention to the home team, Belfast. This is tonight's lineup for your Belfast Giants. Number 1, Belfast Giants Business Supporters Club sponsor Jackson Weston.
Cheer.
Number 3, Game of Thrones sponsor Bo Hansen. Number 7, Reed Irwin. Number 9, McGurk's Golf sponsor Ben Lee. Number 10, Harry Curry sponsor Scott Conway. Number 12, One Stop Mortgage Shop sponsor J.J. Biggins. Number 14, Good Clinic sponsor Sam Jones. Number 20, IQ Volvo Belfast sponsor Marcus Erickson. Number 21, Garrett McFadden. Number 23, Lofton sponsored Mike Lee. Number 29, Digifish sponsored Jordan Kawaguchi. Number 42, Harry Curry sponsored Keegan Bass. Number 63, Belfast City Airport sponsor Jake Godet. And he's your Giants captain, number 64, our new Volvo Belfast sponsor David Goodwin. Number 71, Carl Pedraya. Number 72, Fun Station sponsor Patrick Grasso. Number 88, Ryan Smith. Number 89, Harry Curry sponsor Kieran Long. Number 91, Nicholas Gage. The assistant coaches for your Belfast Giants sponsored by Sports Entertainment Tours are Rob Stewart and George Owala. The associate coach,
sponsored by McDonald's.
Jeff Pearson. And the man in charge behind the Giants bench, your head coach, a new Volvo